attractive home with split floor plan in the desirable gated community of Seven Lakes West. The great room and kitchen have cathedral ceilings. Master bedroom has a beautiful tray ceiling. Living area has elaborate crown molding, built-ins around fireplace, and arched doorways. The kitchen has modern appliances, lovely cabinetry, and granite countertops. The refrigerator, washer, and dryer convey with purchase. The deck has composite decking and is surrounded by flower boxes. Steps lead down to a custom patio with stamped concrete. Seven Lakes West boasts 800+ acre Lake Auman with crystal clear water for boating, swimming, fishing, and water sports. Other amenities include pool, tennis courts, walking trails, and playgrounds. The storage cabinets in the two-car garage also convey.